Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Ankit sir, a channel where one can learn and understand the mathematics. My name is Ankit Jain. I am a mathematics teacher and a learner. I am working with ITBP Public School, Dwarka, New Delhi as PGT Maths, and also I am having experience of more than 10 years in teaching of mathematics. In this corona pandemic, we all are taking online classes at different platforms. But I personally feel that no online class can replace classroom teaching and learning. So, to fill that gap, I found this platform very useful. In my YouTube channel, I will post 3 types of videos. In type 1 video, I will explain concept and solve the question of NCERT. In type 2 videos, I will solve the questions which are asked by the CBSE board in past examinations. And in type 3 videos, I will explain the short tricks to solve questions which are very useful in many competitive exams like SSC, NDA, CDS and JEE examination. So my dear friends, I need your support to do this. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment on my YouTube channel.